Okay, I have this kind of sample object and I would like to make two-dimensional projection of this 3D object. And first of all, I have to specify which is my base projection plane, and I think this way this looks the best. So I choose this to be base projection, which I will put to the center of this 2D plane. And each coordinate point will be projected to this 2D surface by moving it perpendicularly to this 2D plane. And now this is a first angle projection. That means that I'm kind of rotating this object this way. And now I can't see through this surface all those edges. Some edges are invisible, but they still are there. So I'm using this kind of notation for hidden edges. So this is hidden line notation. And now I'm rotating always like this way when I'm using first angle projection. If I would rotate in opposite way, then it would be called third angle projection.
See how corner points can be projected to two-dimensional planes that are behind the object. Now those projection planes are folded to one two-dimensional plane. This kind of projection is called first angle projection. You can also think that the object is rotated 90 degrees on the plane like that. See especially which way rotation is done here.
So now I'm going to do this same thing, but I'm using different way of projection. This is called third angle projection. Those projection pictures are actually similar, but now they are in different order, and this base is still at the center. But now pay attention, I'm going to rotate this in different way. So I'm going to rotate this way and this way. So these two pictures swapped their places actually, and then I'm rotating this way and this way. So these two projections also swapped their place, and this is called third angle projection.
In third angle projection, you can think that transparent projection planes are wrapped around the object. So object is behind those projection planes. When you fold those planes all straight, you get the third angle projection.